your drums and you have your synths, you have your bass lines, your sub, you're going to need some ambient sound, some sort of instruments to kind of build around what you made. You know, some ear candy and some ambience, and to make some sort of environment out of your song. So I recommend one of these two things, and they're expensive because they come with a lot of gigabytes of sounds and instruments and libraries, and you're going to have many plugins that it comes with, different styles, different sounds. Omnisphere is $479. I don't have it. I actually opted for Native Instruments Komplete Ultimate Kit. And they range from $599 to $1,199. This is Omnisphere, by the way. So you can see all of the synthesizers that it brings. It brings all of these Rolands. They're made from back in the day keyboards. You know, the Dave Smith Prophet 8 is very famous. The Moog, of course. Yeah, the Moog Voyagers, world famous. MS-2000. So all of these are great. I have some of these actually from Arturia. Yeah, the Arturia has some of these. The Juno, for example, is very well known.